So the immersion program is designed to give a broad range of experiences so that when our participants return to Saudi Arabia to their unique school settings, they can take with them some expertise that they've gained while they've been here. And that expertise can then be further disseminated amongst their staff and the teams of people that they work with. So it's something that's innovative, it's something that's progressive, and it has the opportunity to really reform and transform schools and the ways that the Saudi teachers operate in their own space.
We're all teachers and we're all striving for one thing, is that to have quality education for our students who are in schools today and also preparing them to be global citizens of the future. So we have created, we would hope, a community of practitioners and researchers who are all striving for the same goal. And the more people you can have involved in that, we can share our ideas and our ways of teaching. Through having the teachers go into the schools to see what is happening, then they are able to come back onto the campus, and we were able to discuss and unpack the things that they were seeing.
Building leadership for change through School Immersion is designed to prepare teachers for the application of best practice teaching upon their return to Saudi Arabia. Griffith University's delivery of the program consisted of 15 weeks of intensive English instruction, technical education professional development, and 15 weeks of immersion in Australian public and private schools. During the immersion phase of the program, participants observed and participated in Australian classrooms, gaining hands-on experience with Australian curriculum, interacting with Australian students, and gaining insight into a variety of innovative teaching practices.
Actually, we observed a lot of students or a lot of classes. Actually, it's amazing experience for us. We tried a lot of things, new things. My colleagues and I, we work hard to build a new course, and that's not usual in our country. We usually use textbooks, but in this time we try to use a CARA standard to build a course in our subject.
Me and my colleagues, we try to engage in Australian education way, and in the first block we try to observe how IT teachers do that course for students. For me, I had many benefits from this experience, and it's really a good opportunity for us as a Saudi teachers. Because we try to have a look on other education system, and its Australian education system